Assalamualaikum, this is Fayal and you are watching my YouTube channel Adore.Learn. Hope you are all doing well. So what is the talk of today? Today we are going to talk about chocolate and its beneficial effects on your heart and brain. So let's start. First, we need to understand what is chocolate. So friends, chocolate comes from cocoa beans and cocoa beans come from cocoa tree. Whenever you want to try the taste of the cocoa beans, it's quite bitter. So many flavors and ingredients are then added to your cocoa beans to enhance the taste of chocolate. So when we talk about the types of chocolate, we have white chocolate. So white chocolate is mostly used to make butter, and this is the milk chocolate, and this is my favorite, by the way, and this is the dark chocolate. Now the magic chocolate, which is very good for your heart and brain, is the dark chocolate mostly. So first we are going to talk about effects on the heart. As you can see, this is a good beating heart, good pumping heart, rich of oxygen. So let's see what are the effects on the heart. So it's basically heart friendly. It prevents from heart attack, from heart failure and death from heart diseases, and also prevents atrial fibrillation. Now atrial fibrillation is actually basically an abnormal heart rhythm, and basically it's not a pill, so it's not a medicine, but you can just use it if you are using it quite daily. It's good for your heart and brain. Now the magic ingredient which is present, it is flavonoids. So the flavonoids, let me tell you, they are anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. So these are the positive effects of flavonoids in your body, which are actually good for your heart and brain. Now let's talk about the effects on the brain. Oh my god, it's a chocolate brain. Yes, it's a chocolate brain. Basically, it improves your focus, your memory, and magnesium reduces the stress. The only mineral which is present in the chocolate is magnesium, unfortunately. And the tryptophan, which is an amino acid which is present in the dark chocolate especially, it helps to increase the quantity of serotonin. Let me tell you something about serotonin. It's a neurotransmitter plus a hormone. It has both effects, and it is present in your brain and in your whole body, especially your gut, especially your bowels have the serotonin, and it increases the good bacteria of the gut. So the good bacteria are mostly the lactobacilli. When you take a lot of probiotics for your gut, they mostly contain the lactobacilli, and it also increases the good blood flow towards your brain. So it means your brain will have good oxygen content. Now if it has advantages, it also has disadvantages. So when we talk about disadvantages, the most common one is migraine. Now the migraine is not a disadvantage. If you have a migraine, your dark chocolate or any form of chocolate will trigger your migraine, your headache. It's a form of headache. So basically the caffeine and tyramine amino acid which are present in the dark chocolate, they are the second most common trigger for the migraines. These are some other disadvantages which are mostly concerned to milk and white chocolate, but the dark chocolate is exception. So if you are consuming milk and white chocolate on daily basis, please don't do this. They are not good for your heart and brain and your body. So they have high saturated fat content. It will increase the chances of obesity development, and it has high calorie and very low amount of vitamins and minerals. As I have mentioned before, the only mineral which is found in the dark chocolate is the magnesium. So hope you have liked my video. This is a funny and yummy video I have added for you just for fun. It's a chocolate and strawberry cake. And thank you so much everyone. Thank you folks. This is the quotation of the day. Hope you will like and subscribe my channel. You will share my video, and please don't forget to click the bell icon for latest updates. We'll meet soon. Khuda Hafiz.